Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the Google Pixel 8a. After spending some quality time with this phone, I've got to say, why would anyone pay more for the Pixel 8? Sure, there are some differences, but the Pixel 8a really gets all the important stuff right, making it a fantastic option. If you want more information about this smartphone, check out the link in the description below. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. The Pixel 8a is delightfully simple, even in a time when tech companies are adding all these fancy AI features. It has some of the Pixel 8's cool tools like Circle to Search and Best Take, but nothing new. And that's totally fine. The Pixel 8a shines because it gets the basics right and feels accessible. Plus, Google is great at updating its phones with new features, so this phone will keep getting better. If you can find a good deal on the Pixel 8, it might be worth considering. Sometimes carriers and retailers offer discounts that bring it down to the same price as the Pixel 8a. But these deals often come with strings attached, like opening a new line or trading in a device. If you can't get such a deal, the Pixel 8a is probably the best choice for Android fans who want a solid phone without spending a fortune. Now, let's talk design and display. The Pixel 8a looks a lot like the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It has rounded edges, giving it a softer feel than the Pixel 7a, and a nice matte finish on the back that feels premium and doesn't get all smudgy like glossy finishes. You can choose from 4 colors: green, light blue, black, and white. I've been using the Aloe Green, and it's a beautiful, vibrant shade. One downside is that if you need more storage, you'll have to go with the Obsidian color because that's the only one available with 256 gigabytes of storage. Otherwise, you're stuck with 128 gigabytes, and there's no expandable storage. The 6.1-inch OLED display on the Pixel 8a is slightly smaller than the Pixel 8. The bezels are a bit larger, but honestly, unless you're comparing them side by side, you probably won't notice. Google has boosted the display brightness compared to the Pixel 7a, and while I still find myself cranking up the brightness outdoors, it's a lot better than previous models. Next up, the camera. The Pixel 8a has a 64-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, similar to the Pixel 7a. The Pixel 8a's camera has a smaller pixel width, which might affect image quality a bit since larger pixels absorb more light. It lacks laser autofocus and macro focus mode, which might explain why some close-up shots aren't as sharp. But for everyday photos of friends, family, pets, and vacations, the Pixel 8a's camera is more than capable. The photos are vibrant and true to life, and the colors are accurate without being overly saturated. Battery life is solid. The Pixel 8a easily gets through a full day on a single charge. On a busy day that included work, socializing, and some gaming, I still had 66% battery left at nearly 1 a.m. In more intensive tests, like streaming video at full brightness for 3 hours, the Pixel 8a performed on par with other top phones in its category. Performance-wise, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 processor and 8 GB of RAM. Apps open quickly, the camera launches smoothly, and games run without any issues. While it may not be as powerful as the latest Galaxy S24, it's definitely faster than last year's Pixel 7a, which is impressive for a phone in this range. The Pixel 8a also includes many of Google's smart software features. You get things like Hold for Me, Circle to Search, and 7 years of Android operating system upgrades and security updates, matching the Pixel 8's support timeline. This long-term support is fantastic, especially for a mid-range phone. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8a offers a lot of value. While it lacks some of the premium features of the Pixel 8, the compromises are sensible and likely won't matter to most users. With its refined design, bright display, solid camera performance, and smart software features, the Pixel 8a sets a new standard for what a mid-range phone can offer. And this is the review of Google Pixel 8a. If you want more information about this smartphone, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.